Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Bantem me gajing khai to yaki masi na ka jela Meghalaya shikari Bangladesh ka sarkar jela ka lashe mekarai ban benchet hakatnat animal husbandry and veterinary ba kan ay ka health certificate bat ya ka transportation chalan yaki masi basai na ka yodi masi usambut menteri rang ba ka jela ba preston tensong ha ka jing ekran ba ka Batisi TV ulong ba ka jing benchet hakatnat veterinary ban pe yakni ka kam kalongkat kum ka Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act kanais pa anrupo Hadian balai tai sani ba jingilang bedengkong jong ka State Animal Welfare Board kabalalong menta ka singi thok dieng ban kabalai tai sani baru halor ka jingkhai tu ikimasi syari Bangladesh kom ban chupen tep hangni ka senjuk kinong di dok masi kibadana pok kshatri jong Khasi Jaintia Butchers Welfare Association kila sange ka jingthit ikimasi syok do nayo khana para lajan shibnai kanthi dak badawai sarkar banweng ya ka jing ha ka bai dei bat ka jing lai lan chaba palat kisnar khai tu ki bujalan ye ki masi na ki khapot ke jila Meghalaya shakari Bangladesh.
Again, we were also talking about cattle. That, as I said too, some members they raised about the smuggling of cattle, but I've already told as per this act, it has been authorized to veterinary department, that henceforth we have veterinary department has to step in. Okay, number one, they have to issue certificate, health certificate. Any animals bringing down to the state for slaughtering or for farming or for any other purposes, it has to be examined. It has to be checked properly by our veterinary doctors. Okay, by our veterinary doctors. So this notification will be issued very soon. It will be issued very soon, maybe sometimes next week. This notification will come out where the transportation of cattle will be checked by the veterinary doctor in a designated place to be decided by the department, and also to issue the transportation challan. Transportation challan has to also be issued by the authorized officer of the veterinary department. Okay, so these are the issues where we discussed today.
So earlier who were issuing these challenges?
Yeah, well, all these years, in fact, the government has no role at all. Okay, the challan was issued by those private party like CM of Malay, as well as the Khasi Jaintia Butchers Association. And let me tell you, as per the act, it is illegal in fact. Okay, it is not mandated. Okay. So that's why we want to rectify things. So from next week, notification will come out where all cattle dealers, okay, all association, whoever or any individual who's supposed to transport cattle, that has to be routed through the veterinary department, and veterinary department, as I said to you, will create one checkpoint, where the doctor has to check the health condition of the animal, the cattle, and also once the doctor found that the cattle is fit, okay, for slaughtering, for eating, then transportation challan will be issued. See, what happened is, for smuggling, well, our rule is what? The rule of the government is, once the notification comes out, anybody who do the transportation of cattle, if they don't get these two papers from the concerned officer authorized by the department, by the government, police can seize this cattle. Okay, they met me. Even the CM of Malay met me. So what I requested them is lift the indefinite strike Okay, leave the indefinite strike. Now the government is stepping in. So I told them, I request them, have a meeting, maybe tomorrow or I don't know, today or tomorrow they are having a meeting. So I'm sure this association will ultimately withdraw the indefinite strike, at least to avoid the hardship faced by our people.